Nice, that's good. Nice, that's good. Wicked. Okay. That's it. Fantastic. Really nice. Oh, so what happened? Nice. Better, yeah, it's good. Oh, just forgot the arms a little bit, but you pulled it back. Well done. Loads of grip. Well done. So, oh, just a little bit early. That's good. Turn those hips just a bit more. There we go, that's it. Perfect. That's it. Lean it, stay brave. Yeah, that's it. Stay brave. Yes, dude. That's pressure, pressure, pressure. Oh, that's okay. Bend, 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 bend. There we go. That's better. So camera. That's it. Lean. It's a left hand. That's it. Left hand. Push it in. That's it. Keep leaning. Keep leaning. Lean, lean in. Straight. There we go. Nice. So use those hips. That's it. Lovely. Lifting comes into play. That's good. That's much better lean. Keep that pressure on. Lovely. Use those hips. All the hips. Don't move the feet, don't move the feet, just the hips. There we go, that's it, that's it. That's it, go with the bike, that's it, go with it, that's it, follow it. There we go, that's it, nice, that's it, that's good. So go with the bike, that's it, follow the bike, go with it, that's it, there we go. That's it. Nice, much better, mate. So, nice, that's it. That's good. Nice. Go with it. Use those hips more. More hips. That's it. Really. There we go. Go with it. Nice hips on that one. That's good. Your left turn was really good. Get low. Nice. Better. That was good. Nice. So go with the bike. More hips. That's it. Get those hips turning. Nice, much better on that one. That's good. Yeah, turn the hips. That's it. Drop those heels. Okay, first go. Nice, good. Yeah, wicked. Nice, that's good, well done. Nice strong legs. Strong legs. Better. That was good. That's it. Nice and relaxed, breathe. Nice, keep looking. Yeah. That's nice. You don't move, don't come up. Stay low. Stay low, check low, 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 low. Oh, perfect. Slow it down now. Off the brakes. Oh. Yeah, smooth. Nice. Better. Breathe in. That's nice. That's it. So use the berm. Get right into it. There we go. Nice. That was a good one. Yeah. Use those hips. Oh, be brave. Stay forward. Yeah. Nice. That was a good one. Press. Nice, that was good. And again. Breathe. Nice, that's good. Really use those hips. Fantastic. Yeah. That's the one. Go. Gentle without braking, just gentle. That's it. Yeah, nice. Nice, man. Nice, that's better. Yeah, go on. Nice.